Hi everybody, Robert here again with Revit Training. In this exercise, we are going to turn the light. We are going to upgrade an architectural lighting fixture to MEP. Okay, so we want to first have this light fixture here. This is just a regular light fixture family, and I'll go into our front elevation. As you can see, there's our reference level, our reference ceiling plane, and so on and so forth. So, okay. So now what I want to do here, I want you to just select this light source, okay? And now right here where it says photometrics, select here, and you see this dialog box will pop up. So this dialog box popping up, we want to set this thing to photometric web. So that would be this one. So we set it to photometric web, and then we got a whole sort of other settings you can use. But for this exercise, I want to just use the photometric web. And then I want to just click OK. Okay, so there. Now, when within this family, we want to go into our type, family types. And here, our lamp, this is our lamp. We're using a CF42 TTR. That's the lamp we're using. And our parent load we're going to have is, this is the load, 44.21. The tilt angle, we want to make this 90. Well, you can make it whatever you like, but for this case, I'm going to make it 90 degrees. Okay, and then I'm going to just click this section here where it says photometric web file. We'll select this little builder here, and we have all of these IES files built in the Autodesk Revit, and I'm going to go down to a file called, where is it? It's called Spot. There it is, Spot Ideal IES, and we're going to open that. Okay, now we'll go to our light loss factor. We'll leave that at 85, but we can adjust it to wherever we want. We'll just leave that at 85. And then here we have our luminous intensity, initial intensity, the pick lumens, and we can adjust this here to, let's say, I'm going to say 3500. Well, let's leave it at 32. You can change this to whatever you want. I noticed somebody asked me about how you do this, or this is how you do it. And then we'll say OK, and we'll click apply, and OK. Now, we want to open our 3D view here now. And there's our light source that we created. Okay. Let me see if I can change this to realistic, see what'll happen. No, I think we better. Let's just leave it where we had it in the wireframe so we can see this. Okay. Now what we do next is we want to go into our Create tab, and we want to select electrical connector. Now we select the electrical connector, and we want to attach our connector. Let me see. We want to say on face, and we want to set it right on this face right here. That's for our conduit. Okay. So now just hit modify. and I'll select this, and I want this to be the system type. I want it to be power balanced. Okay, and then I want the load classification here. This is going to be lighting. And then the voltage, we'll just place it right here, 277 or whatever. And the power factor would be 0.95. Let's make it 0.95, 0.95. And there we go. So we just basically went through the series of how do you make this thing illuminate and how you control it. So now let's go back into our family types. And let's click on a new type here. Let's call this brass and green glass. Glass. I'm gonna say okay. Whoop. Whoop. I don't want to do that. I want to do this one here. I want to put this here. This is going to be a new family, so I'm sorry, let me just back out of this. Right, now I'll just leave it, and I want to click a new type. Yeah, that's okay. And so on the materials, here we have metal, brass, and green glass. And let's just click apply. And we'll say okay. So that's it. There you have it. See if I can do this in realistic. Yeah. So that's how we deal with lighting and lumens and basically modified the light source. We added a connector and we created types with different materials printed in glass. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any other questions or want to go further with this example, please feel free to drop me a message. So thank you for watching and have a good one. Bye.